The Last Wishes feature in your account allows you to inform your loved ones about any preferences or wishes you have. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to add details about your last wishes. In your dashboard, click Plans and select Add Plans Now. Alternatively, you can use the link in the left-hand menu. Under Last Wishes Planning, you can add details about your obituary, heirlooms, and any other last wishes you think it's important to have. Let's start with the obituary section. Here, you can document details that you want to be included in your obituary, or, if you choose, you can upload one that you have written yourself. For your convenience, the text boxes automatically save. Now let's move forward to My Heirlooms and Keepsakes. Here, you can make sure your family knows what items are special to you by listing what heirlooms you want recovered and who you would like these items to pass on to. If you think it may be helpful for your family, you also have the ability to upload pictures of your heirlooms. Next, let's record details in My Other Wishes. This option allows you to list any final wishes that don't fall under heirlooms or obituary. Some things to think about for this section are further instructions for your other possessions or any requests you have for your family members. We hope this walkthrough was helpful to you and that you feel empowered to start planning and share how you're changing the way you plan for the future with those you love most. If you need further assistance, email us at help@thepostage.com.